There's a good chance you've heard of the Bitcoin halving, but what you haven't heard of is the fascinating secret it has about predicting exactly when the next bottom will be. The million-dollar question, the question you want to know, the question everyone in crypto wants to know: when will the bottom happen? Well, the secret may be in this exact chart right here in front of you, because the halving happens at the same mathematical time every single cycle. But if you look at the math, if you look at the numbers, there's a huge clue right in front of our eyes of exactly when the next bottom should be, and I'm going to show you the exact formula to find it inside of this video. Let's get into it. Recently, many of you have been randomly unsubscribed from my channel, and missing just one video in a market like this can cost you big time. So stop what you're doing, look down, and make sure you are subscribed. So here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we are on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we have price action above, and then we may get to the bottom of the screen for the RSI as absolute bonus. But let's start with the top of our screen. These white lines are exactly when the halving happens. Now, in 2012, we had a halving right here in November, and we didn't have another one until right here, July 2016. The next halving was here in May 2020, and the most recent one was here, April 2024. Now, everybody will know these dates, these 4 dates of the halving. People have studied it, people have looked at it, people have analyzed it. But what you may have missed is the simple formula right in front of our eyes, clear as day, because the bottom of the market happens the same way every single cycle. Take a look. 2012, we already established when the halving was. You cannot make that up. What you notice is we're just going to measure how many days from the halving until the next bottom. What you will notice will blow your mind. We're going to take a little measured move here, and we're noticing that the first bottom of the market happened around 800 days and until about 1,000 days. In other words, from the time we had our first halving, it was about 800 to 1,000 days. That window, 800 to 1,000 days, was quite literally the window of the bottom of the market. In other words, that little window of 200 days was the best buying opportunity of Bitcoin's history at that time. And then the whole thing repeats. So that was the first halving to the bottom of that market. 800 to 1,000 days, that was sort of the golden area there. Let's look at the next halving. 2016, we had the halving right here. And when you look at it, we're looking at when the next bottom happened. And what you will be shocked to see is that it was pretty much the same time frame. We're looking at that 800 to 1,000 day window. That 800 to 1,000 day window is right here. It's quite literally the best of the bottom of the market. 800 to 1,000 days is right here. Quite literally the lowest prices ever for Bitcoin. Now keep in mind, 800 to 1,000 days back in 2015, that was quite literally this period of time right here, 800 to 1,000 days. In other words, the lowest prices of Bitcoin. So we have 2 cycles in a row. If you take the halving, 800 to 1,000 days, that's kind of this real window to enter the market at the most opportune times. Let's look at the 2020 halving. Here's the 2020 halving, May 1st, 2020. You may remember it. We're going to go ahead and measure the move from that halving until the next bottom. You'll notice this was our first bottom, just about 800 days in. You remember that bottom well, $17,000, when everyone told you it would be dumb and stupid and ridiculous to buy a $17,000 Bitcoin when you should just wait and buy it at $7,000 and $5,000 and whatever else they said. It just never happened. I told you it would never happen. I told you to buy at 17,000. But guess what? That was right around 800 days, 761 to be exact. But that 800 to 1,000 day window, we're looking at quite literally bottom 1 to bottom 2 was quite literally 800 to 1,000 days. In other words, the 800 to 1,000 days was the best window to buy Bitcoin. In other words, 12 years in a row, Bitcoin did the exact same thing. Recently, many of you have been randomly unsubscribed from my channel, and missing just one video in a market like this can cost you big time. So stop what you're doing, look down, and make sure you are subscribed. When everyone's like, oh my God, when could the bottom possibly end? When is the best time to buy Bitcoin? When should I buy Bitcoin? You know, because Bitcoin has a lot of tricks up its sleeve. It's got a lot of curveballs. But for 12 years in a row, 12 years in a row, we had that 800 to 1,000 day window. We had it in 15, we had it in 18, and we had it in 2022. And this is where it gets interesting, because we just unveiled the 12 years in a row with that 800 to 1,000 day window. Where does that bring us? Have we already passed that window? Did that window start at 60,000? Was that the window of around 800 days? What is going on? What should we expect? We're going to need a little bit of a drum roll for this one, okay? So we're going to April 1st, 2024, and we're going to measure out 800 to 1,000 days, knowing that we've got 12 years of data. I'm going to unveil this information. Then I'm going to say what you should be doing based on this information, what I'm doing based on this information, and what would have to happen in order for me to change my mind. Let's unveil the secrets. So we go to the 2024 halving, and we start expanding out, and we want to get to around 800 days. And we want to first look at that $60,000 Bitcoin, because a lot of people suggested that was the bottom, but that was only at 671 days. Not quite the 800, not quite the 750 that some early projections were. So we can keep that as a possibility, but let's look more at the 800 to 1,000 days. So with this next month, the June month, will start that 800 day window. I repeat, the June month will start that 800 day window, and the window potentially, if it goes similarly, goes until about January-ish. Okay? So it goes until about January-ish, and it's about to start. That is the information you need for this video. Now, what should you be doing with this information? Stay level-headed, but observe the facts. Stay patient, go according to your plan. I want you to be level-headed about this, not blindly entering markets. What am I doing? This information doesn't change anything about what I'm doing. I have an exact strategy, exact charts I'm looking for, exact formula. And if you want the Bitcoin bottom blueprint, I give you exactly how much you should be putting into Bitcoin, how much you should be putting into altcoins, which altcoins I'm buying, which I believe are the best investment. All of that is in the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. Sign up for that at cryptocrootuniversity.com. But that is the window that I will be watching like a hawk. You better believe that. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe.